All right, here we are down by Chadwick Park Beach. Is right over there beyond where Kev is. Stump Pass Beach on Manasota Key is a mile south, and this is like kind of like the, I would call it like the kind of the little town section of Manasota Key, where there's some shops and restaurants and bars. And Chadwick Park is a big public beach access over here to my left, with restaurants and you know, refreshments and things like that all around. So this is, yes, we are heading from the south end of Manasota Key, which we just skated. We did skate down to Stump Pass Beach, but that dead ends, and it is all dirt and gravel, so you can't really skate it beyond where the parking lot is. Oh, fancy Kev. Hi Kev. And the parking lot was full, lots of restaurants around here. The Stump Pass parking lot was full. But up here at, this is Englewood Beach at Chadwick Park, there is still parking up there, we saw. And that's all totally skatable too. You know, paved surfaces and whatnot. So now we're heading back north on Manasota Key from the south end. The south end seems to be, again, this is our first time skating Manasota Key, but the south end really seems to be where the restaurants and the shops and the bars, and also most of the condos and vacation rentals and stuff like that are down here. The north end is more like residences. A lot of them are, ooh, good jump in there, Kev. A lot of the residences are really big and beautiful properties up toward the north end. So yeah, all right, basically from Blind Pass Beach, which is where we started, it's a little over 4 miles to the south end, past Chadwick Park to Stump Pass Beach. So we're gonna wrap it up there, folks, but we just wanted to let y'all know, since we're learning our way around Manasota Key, another great place to check out and skate with beautiful beaches in Florida. Bye-bye.
Bye.